What's going on, y'all? JT with an unboxing and look at the Traxxas Bigfoot that actually has lights on it. So if you guys are not knowing what's going on in the RC car world recently, Traxxas has recently been adding lights to their 10 scale line. So I believe for all their brush models, you have lights in the front and then in the rear. And then for the brushless models, it's just in the front. So of course, this is based on the popular Stampede two-wheel drive platform, but it now has lights and stuff on it. So this is a brushless ready truck. And this is kind of the ready to run that does come with the battery and also the DC charge. You guys kind of see that there, but this light's gonna look pretty cool. I kind of was looking for a Bandit and stuff, but didn't see one in stock. I hope that Traxxas did an update to the wheels on the Bandit, not meaning so much the style of them, because they do look different. It does look pretty good, but I hope they actually put 12mm hexes in there instead of little pins that they did before. So hopefully we're all crossing our fingers. I know a lot of people I know are, that they did an update to those wheels too, to allow you to use 12mm hexes on there. But anyway, let me go ahead and let's get this open and let's see what we got inside. All right, so pulling this out. Oh yeah, guys, gotta love the smell of a new RC vehicle. There he is, right? Oh, what the? Look at that. My little tire is all bashed in. Well, good thing these don't come with foam in the tire. That sucks. Look at that. Yeah, it must have been a radio or something in here that was just, it's probably that, I don't know, that foam, it was just up on there. So let me go ahead, let's get this out in its entirety and let's see what all we got in here. All right, y'all, so pulling this out, the biggest thing about this is going to be looking at the lights. This is an actual beautiful body. They actually did a real good job when they released this a couple of years back with this body, and they got another body too that they kind of did kind of an a revision on. But this is kind of one of the original bodies came out with, and it actually looks pretty good. And I actually put this on an 8 scale vehicle too. I think I put on an Outcast a couple of years ago. So the biggest thing with this unboxing is, and I'm going to shed a little light, hopefully it's not too bad, there we go, is going to be the lights. I know myself, as far as other people, are kind of curious about these lights in here. And there it is on the back, and let's kind of see how they got this mounted on there. So it does look like they did change kind of the back of this bumper on the rear. It's the wires that kind of mount up through here, and they go to the receiver. I wonder if that's got brake lights on it. That'll be interesting to see, and we'll hook this up in just a second. And that's how it is fitted on the front. So that's pretty good that they did this, and that's actually going to be pretty secure with it. I kind of always wondered about like the thinner wire, but I have the wire on my Max, actually Max V2, I have the light kit on there, and other Traxxas vehicles, that wire's kind of thin, but I've never had it rip or anything like that. So that's going to be the biggest thing with that. So let me go ahead, and you guys, I don't need to go in depth about this particular vehicle. It is a two-wheel drive Stampede 4x4. It has the black chassis on it. It has probably a couple of revisions that they've been doing over the years, upgraded shock caps on it. So these are a little bit stronger than the previous ones, but I don't plan on really, well, you know, I'm not even gonna say, because I am gonna run it and jump it with that. But it is brushless ready too, but I'm probably gonna leave it brushed. But you guys see how that light and stuff is hooked up in here. So let me go ahead and let me get this body together real quick. Put everything on here and put some double A's in this TQ remote that comes with it and hook these lights up, because I'm curious if it has brake lights too. So give me just a minute. It's gonna take me a couple of minutes, but for you guys, it's just gonna be a second. And let's get this hooked up. All right, guys, so here we go. Body installed, or actually body just put on, and the lights, I got this hooked up so you guys can see the lights, so you guys can see these lights are pretty good and they're pretty bright for the front, and then the lights also in the rear, and it gives it more of a to me a unique monster truck look to it. Now the lights do not work as far as reverse like the Traxxas Max and stuff. Those lights have, you go in reverse, it actually has a reverse light that comes on. It doesn't have a brake light either, but that's fine. I mean, you're paying like $250 for these, and I think that just to have lights included on here is going to be kind of a plus for it. Like I said, I'm not going to go too much in the technical specifications. You guys have seen plenty of Stampede two-wheel drive unboxings, and I've had some before. It's your brush version Comes with the Titan 12-turn 550 motor. The XL5 speed controller is LiPo compatible. Right now it's in nickel metal mode. And then of course I think this is a flat cell, 8.4 volt, 3000 milliamp LiPo. I mean, not LiPo, nickel metal battery pack. And the servo is going to be a 2056 servo with it. So I'm not going to go, like I said, I'm not going to go too much in depth with this. I do want to try to get this out and get this running. Traxxas usually does a pretty good job of setting their trucks up and their vehicles pretty good, stock out the box and with suspension setup and stuff. So I'm not too worried about this. I do believe this comes with a speed gear, 2 to help you get the 30 plus miles per hour stating on the box. But to show you guys real quick, I'm going to mount this up and I'm going to show you guys the lights. Show you guys to see that it does not have reverse lights or brake lights on it. So give me just a second. Let me get this mounted up real quick. All right, got this mounted up. Throttle. Reverse brake. Which is fine, but you know, the camera doesn't do it justice. These lights are actually pretty bright. So you'll definitely be seeing this at night. So I'll definitely be doing some night. You know what? Matter of fact, you guys stay tuned in this video. I'm going to take this out tonight. I'm going to put a little bit more charge on this battery. And then we're going to take this out and run it real quick at night because I want you guys to see how these look at night. So give me just a minute and we'll go ahead and run this out real quick at night so you guys can see. I'm not going to try to make you wait for another video. I might as well do it all right in this unboxing to see how this looks and get my bling bling over there, get a little dirt, or not dirt so much, but some of this pollen from Georgia in there. So give me just a minute. I'm going to get this charged up a little bit more and then we're going to take this out tonight and just do a quick run with it so you guys can see what it looks like at night. All right, y'all know how it is. You want to go out, you want to drive an RC car, so you go ahead and do it, right? So we'll head around to local Walmart parking lot or something real quick. I think it's pretty empty at one of these, and get this rolling. So let me give me a second, another second for me, or another second for you guys, and a couple minutes for me, and we'll take this out. I'll have to one day hook up all my cameras and maybe even go live, and we can go rolling around in the Corvette for a quick video. Probably if I go live, I won't be able to answer you guys' questions, but at least we can get a ride in the vet, right? So let me get over here. Let me find a kind of a flat spot area, and then we're gonna test this truck out at night. All right, y'all. So here we are. We're out here. Lights look pretty good. Showing this to you guys. He's next to the Batmobile. They look pretty good on there. So we're running this with the nickel metal battery, the included battery. Yeah, JT, don't run right. What are you doing? You're gonna run right. I think my steering is off just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, that looks pretty cool riding around over here. Yeah, lights definitely setting it off a lot better. So of course, as any kid that would like Monster Jam would probably fall in love with this big time. That's not too bad either. I mean, looking at the, it comes to 2056 servo, but it's actually pretty decent here. Decent speed, and this is just all on-road. So off-road, of course, we'll have a blast with this, and I do plan on driving this off-road, getting a little dirty. Can only reserve the body so much, right? So it'll probably be around roughly the same speed with a LiPo, a 2S LiPo in here. It's just the runtime is just going to be a little bit more, and I'll probably get a little bit more speed out of it too. Depends on which LiPo I use for it, but that's not bad, guys. That's not bad at all. It's like 48 degrees right now here in Georgia, and I feel like Christmas when I was a kid, when I got my Traxxas Radicator. You guys have no idea. The Radicator 2, I actually went out, man, I was driving it all night. My brother came out like, "You're still driving that?" I had a whole bunch of batteries I wanted. That's all I wanted was RC cars for Christmas. And when they had that Radicator 2, I was on it. Yeah, that guy over, he was over when I pulled in, he was looking at me and honking, and I'm like, man, whatever, dude. I don't care. You're gonna do that in a Walmart parking lot. To me, I'm gonna say this: if you can get full speed in a Walmart parking lot, your car ain't fast. And this just dumped. So the battery wasn't fully charged, but that's going pretty good for this. So I had to get this out, guys. With this dude going by here. Yeah, he's going full speed over here, and the parking lot is not big at all, guys. It's that doesn't impress me. He came from there all the way down there, went all the way around here, blah blah blah. He had to drive past me again to let me know, hey, yeah, man, whatever, dude. I get it so much, especially when I drive my vet out. It's not even funny. But anyway, that's gonna be a run of this. I did want to kind of get this out and run this for you guys. I didn't think the battery's gonna last that long, but I will get it back out and run it with a nickel metal battery. And it does look good with the lights on it, guys. I mean, it does make it look better. I mean, it does. So I don't know what else to say. The lights do look good. So I can't wait till they have the Bandit come out, because it'll probably be the brush Bandit I'll be looking at, and then also the brushed Stampede 4x4, because that does look good with its new colors and lights and stuff on it. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. I would shoot off, but this battery's got nothing in it. Watch.